Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and download a sales report from Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. And once you have opened it up, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account or are not logged in the upper right corner, you're going to see the option to go and create an account and log into your account. So once you have done that, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started. As you can see here, we have the getting started page from where we can get started setting up our products, collaborators, and so on, all at the left side of the screen. So now let's go and take a look at how to download sales reports. So once you have set up your store and now you want to go and get started downloading sales reports from your store, you're going to go into the sales tab right here. So at the left side of the screen, click the sales tab. Once you open up the sales tab, it's going to enable you to get started managing all your sales, and you can get started getting into the analytics dashboard as well. So you can see in the sales tab right here, you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the sales. So what you're going to do is find the sale or the date range that you want to download the report for, and once you've selected it from your sales tab, you can click the export button in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to download a CSV file with each purchase on its own row from this date range that you can select right here. Once you're satisfied, click download it, and that's how to go ahead and download a sales report. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.